The Golden Touch. Once upon a time, there was a wealthy but greedy king named Midas. He had everything gold, jewels, and a vast kingdom, but he always wanted more. One day, a mysterious stranger appeared before him and offered to grant him a wish. Without thinking, Midas wished that everything he touched would turn to gold. The stranger granted his wish, and Midas was overjoyed. He touched a rock, and it became a shining golden boulder. He touched a tree, and it turned into solid gold. Delighted, he rushed to his palace, turning everything in his path into gold. But soon, his joy turned into sorrow. When he tried to eat, his food turned to gold. When he tried to drink water, it became liquid gold, undrinkable. Worst of all, when his beloved daughter ran into his arms, she too turned into a golden statue. Heartbroken, Midas realized his greed had brought him nothing but misery. He prayed to the stranger, begging to undo his wish. Seeing his true regret, the stranger took back the golden touch. Midas hugged his daughter as she returned to life, and tears of joy filled his eyes. From that day on, Midas learned to value love and kindness